Let's brighten things up a little, right here in Zonar Studio. Howdy everyone, in this video we're gonna do an edit where we're gonna play around a bit with lighting. More specifically, we're gonna use AI to light up this street lamp. So let's go. I've already straightened the lines and cropped the photo a bit. First, let's darken the surroundings so that the lamp stands out more and the whole image just looks more like a nighttime scene. Let's go to local adjustments, choose the AI background tool, and some parts of the branch weren't selected, so let's add them in with brush and include the missing area. Now let's simply lower exposure, highlights, and also shadows a bit. Great. The background immediately looks a bit darker. Next, let's move to the light itself. I'm gonna start with a radial gradient over the top of the lamp with a slight overlap into the surroundings. And this time, I'll raise exposure, highlights, and shadows. That instantly makes it look more like the lamp is glowing. And because these lamps usually shine in a yellowish orange tone, let's go for split toning and move the lights towards yellow and orange. Now to make the glow even more natural, I'm gonna add another radial gradient, but this time much larger, reaching almost to the actual lamp post. And I want the yellow light to spread out into the surroundings, just like a real lamp would in real life. As before, let's raise exposure, highlights, and the shadows a little. And to enhance the warm glow, let's scroll down to color overlay, pick a mustard yellow, and then set the blend mode to soft light. And increase that intensity, and already it's looking much better. But the adjustment has also affected the sky between the trees, which doesn't really make much sense. So let's subtract the AI sky selection from this mask. A few areas of the sky are going to remain, so let's use subtract brush and remove them manually. Perfect, much better. Now while I'm at the sky, it's still too bright and a bit grayish. I want it to look more like a night sky, so let's let AI select the sky again, and then lower the exposure and the highlights. Then let's shift white balance more towards blue and get rid of any of the gray cast. And by the way, if you want to see how to create a golden hour effect instead of this, you'll find the link right here and also in the description. Okay, now let's refine the final details, like emphasizing the actual light source. Let's place another small radial gradient in the center of the lamp, and again, let's increase exposure, highlights, and shadows. And just to make the transition softer, I'm gonna stretch the gradient width to almost its maximum. And for the last touch, I really want it to look like the lamp is shining. And yes, you guessed it, let's use the glow effect. Let's increase strength and lower the threshold just a bit. Finally, let's check the before and after. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So that was just an example of how you can light up an object in Zonar Studio. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think below. Otherwise, don't forget to hit that subscribe bell so that you never miss another video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next ones. Take care.